Hi everybody, I'm Tony here at Prime Motor Cars in Scarborough, Maine. I'm your Sprinter guy. My cellular is 978-764-1232 for anyone that might want to call. I want to show everybody this van that I have here today. This four-wheel drive, 144 cargo, low roof. You can see that beautiful chrome grille on it. It has the nice aluminum wheels with the Kumo tires. The 270 doors. The rear step bumper, sidewall paneling, wood floors with the D-rings, good amount of space in here. View from the slider. So this has the roof rails, the active distance, DISTRONIC, cruise control, 360-degree camera, rain sensor. It's got the basic comfort package, the driver convenience package, the premium plus package. So a view from the driver's side, power memory seats, heated seats, power mirrors, folding mirrors. It's got the big display, the 10.25 touchscreen. You can talk to it, touch it, and you can work it from the mouse pad at that leather steering wheel. All kinds of goodies in this one. Thanks a lot, everybody. Again, Tony Fennell here, Prime Motor Cars, your Sprinter guy. Thanks. Call me anytime. Cell is 978-764-1232. Have a great day.